In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search emails by attachment type in Gmail. Being able to quickly find emails with specific attachments can save you a lot of time, especially if you receive a large volume of messages every day. Maybe you're trying to track down a PDF invoice, a PowerPoint presentation, or an image someone sent you a while ago. Instead of scrolling endlessly through your inbox, you can use Gmail's search tools to narrow things down in just a few seconds. First, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. At the very top of the page, you'll see the search bar that runs across the screen. This is where we'll be doing all of our work. Go ahead and click directly on that search bar to activate it. You'll see your cursor blinking, which means you're ready to start typing. To tell Gmail that you only want to see emails with attachments, you'll use a special search operator. In the search bar, type has.attachment. Make sure you spell it as one word after the colon with no spaces. Has attachment. When you press enter, Gmail will show you all the emails in your account that contain at least one attachment, no matter what type it is. Now let's make this more specific so you can search by attachment type. For example, if you're looking only for PDF files, you can refine your search by adding the file type operator. Click back into the search bar and type has attachment file, name PDF. Again, there are no spaces around the colon, and PDF is written in lowercase. When you run this search, Gmail will filter your results to show only emails that include a PDF attachment. You can replace PDF with other file types as needed. For example, use Doc or DocX for Word documents, PPT or PPTX for PowerPoint presentations, XLS or XLSX for Excel files, and JPG or PNG for images. The pattern stays the same, has attachment followed by file name, and then the file extension you're looking for. If you find this useful and you often look for the same kind of attachment, consider keeping these search phrases in a note or running the search once and bookmarking the results page in your browser. That way you can jump back to it quickly whenever you need to, and that's all there is to it. By using the search bar along with has attachment and the file name operator, you can quickly locate exactly the type of attachment you're looking for in Gmail.